Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a contact form on WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a reliable plugin, as this is the simplest method for most users. A good contact form is essential for any professional website, enabling seamless communication with your audience. It helps you collect inquiries, feedback, and even job applications directly through your site, making it incredibly convenient for both you and your visitors. This process typically takes only a few minutes to set up. When selecting a contact form plugin, consider your specific needs and budget. Free options like Contact Form 7 are widely used and offer basic functionality. For more advanced features, such as conditional logic or payment integrations, premium plugins like WP Forms Pro provide extensive capabilities. Always check reviews and compatibility with your WordPress version to ensure a smooth experience. Most plugins offer a user-friendly interface, allowing you to create a form in just a few clicks. Once you've chosen a plugin, the installation process is straightforward. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then Add New. Search for your selected plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. After activation, a new menu item for the plugin will usually appear. Here, you can begin building your form by dragging and dropping fields, setting up notifications, and configuring confirmation messages. This setup typically takes less than 5 minutes. With your form created, the final step is to embed it onto your website. You can add it to an existing page or create a new one, perhaps titled Contact Us. Most plugins provide a shortcode that you can simply paste into the page editor. Alternatively, many modern WordPress editors offer a dedicated block for your contact form. After inserting the form, preview the page to ensure it looks correct, then publish or update it. Your new contact form is now ready to receive messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.